Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today we have Cigar sent me another cigar lighter slash cigar cutter slash cigar everything. These things always do everything. I love their cigar lighters. Let's open it up and get right to it, shall we? So, first thing I want to call your attention to is the packaging. If you have a cigar lover in your life, look at that packaging. If you give them that, they're going to know they got something special and somebody loves them. We open that up. First thing right on top, you know how I love instructions, and these are good. I read them. Look at that lighter. That is a nice looking, classy looking lighter, is it not? So let's pull that out of there, shall we? Takes care of it. So what do we have here? We have a beautiful, heavy, feels heavy to your touch lighter. So we have the lighter on top. Right here we have the draw enhancer. You just poke that down the cigar to make a better draw. Get yourself a better draw. On the back side here we have a cigar punch. Punch that hole in the back. You know, when you're on your wider cigars, you want to punch a hole in there like that. On this is a really cool sidecar cigar cutter. All right. So what you do, you just slide that down just like that, and then you slide this up like this. And you have a cigar cutter. How cool is that? How cool. Now, I don't have a big cigar, so I don't know how this is going to work. But we're going to put that in there anyway, just for, I don't think it's going to work very good. But we're going to put it in there just for. Took a little V out of there. Took a little V out of that. But how cool is that? All in one. So you got your lighter and your cigar cutter and your cigar punch. Here's where you fill it up with fuel. And when you buy these, they don't come with fuel, so you have to go out and get yourself a bottle of butane, because they cannot ship them full. Makes sense. They can't ship them full of fuel. So you do have to fill them up with butane. And if you look right here on the end here, that is how you adjust your flame. Okay? Again, to show you that handy dandy cutter. Flips up. Flips right back there like that. Punch on the bottom. And a lot of people don't realize this, but this is the knob that starts the lighter. But it is also for setting your cigar. How cool is that, huh? Very nice. So then you just flip that open. Just toast that puppy up. And this is just a little, cheapo cigar. But you can see how it would toast the end of a nice big wide one. Big old Cuban. Toast it right up for you. Go out and get yourself a Cigar cigar lighter slash cigar cutter slash cigar punch today.